Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix "we are sorry but Word/Excel has run into an error" problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Go to Windows search bar, type Control Panel, click and open it, click on Program. You will see different MS Office logo but it's the same program. Right click, click on Change, click on Quick Repair, click on Repair. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type Run, click and open it. Type Excel space save. Click on OK. In Excel, click on Files, click on Options, click on Add-ins. Click on Manage and select COM Add-ins. Click on Go. Try to uncheck all the options. Exit and try to open Excel again. That's it. Thanks for watching.